O'Driscoll drove with a song the wild duck and the drake from the tall and tufted reeds of a drear hot lake, and he saw how the weeds grew dark with the coming of night tide, and he dreamt of the long dim hair of Bridget his bride. Then he heard it, high up in the air, a piper piping away, and never was piping so sad, and never was piping so gay. Then he saw young men and young girls dance in a level place, with Bridget his bride among them, with a gay and a sad face. The dancers gathered around him, and many a sweet thing said. An old man brought him red wine, and a young girl white bread. But Bridget drew him by the sleeve, away from the merry band, to old men playing of cards with a twinkling of ancient hands. And he sat and he played in a dream, and he thought not of evil chance, till one bore Bridget his bride away from the merry dance. He bore her away in his arms, the handsomest young man there, and his neck and his lips and his arms were drowned in her long dim hair. O'Driscoll scattered the cards, and out of his dream awoke, and old men and young girls were gone like a drift of smoke. Then he heard it, high up in the air, a piper piping away, and never was piping so sad, and never was piping so gay.